Welcome! This course integrates a key feature of daily life, eating, with all the science that revolves around emotions, thoughts, social interaction, neurobiology, and more. It is the combination of many scientific theories, methods, and a school of thought. In addition to this, it is super practical. There will be one short introduction to help us understand what we are addressing. We'll soon see what it all means exactly and how many options for application of this course there are. First of all, to avoid any type of confusion, let's start with what this course is not. 1. It is not a cookery course. Even though we will talk about what can be prepared to increase social and flavor enjoyment, as well as the impact on overall health and of the products we eat. 2. It is not a mindful eating course. It stems from different sciences and has different objectives. The process is developed in an entirely different way. If you are interested in both, they can complement each other, but they are entirely different things. 3. It is not a taste itinerary, even though we will look at some interesting techniques and concepts, integrating them with neuroscience and emotional knowledge, with metabolic processes and other disciplines that act in synergy. Let us look at what is involved. In alignment with the integrative sciences, this course is a fruit of the integration between different disciplines that draw from medical and neurobiological science, but also from sommelier techniques and other food and drink tasting techniques and methodologies, and from modern and traditional cooking science. As with all integrative sciences, there is also an element of comparative ethology, social and interpersonal neuroscience, and many other disciplines that help understand the evolutionary and adaptive value of taste and smell, and discover critical social, emotional, and metabolic dynamics linked to the way we eat. This course is the outcome of various years of study and of a personal passion for good food and drink, in addition to a fascination with the care and change processes from a scientific and integrated approach. This course is key, and it is transversal in relation to all the other hub modules, because nutrition, in the wider sense of what we eat and how we eat it, affects everyone and every aspect of our lives. In fact, in each of us, there is an innate drive to enjoy food and want to get the best out of it. By contrast, culture and mass distribution work against this tendency. Our objective is to bring the situation back into balance so that it works to our advantage. In the next video, we will analyze the advantages and the different levels we will work on.